same as it did back then. 250 seasons since the first free breath began. From Jamestown's muddy river to the fields of Gettysburg, every stone a story, every whispered hallowed word. Oh, America, you're older now, but the wild heart still beats strong. Underneath the concrete where the forgotten paths belong. Look close, can you see it? The ghost of pioneer grit in the eyes of every worker, every soul that won't quit. Steel and glass reach skyward where the tall pines used to stand. A million humming highways crisscrossing this wide land. But if you close your eyes now and listen to the wind's soft sigh, you can hear the creak of wagons beneath the boundless sky. Oh, America, you're older now, but the wild heart still beats strong. Underneath the concrete where the forgotten paths belong. Look close, can you see it? The ghost of pioneer grit in the eyes of every worker, every soul that won't quit. From dusty plains to factory floors, from mountain peak to shore, the spirit of the struggle forevermore endures. We built this dream with calloused hands and sweat upon the brow. That rugged strength of yesterday, it lives inside us now.